Alright, it came to that time that going to figure out where to put the oil catch can. But as you can tell, I gotta clean it out. So it's just been all sitting in there, so I'm gonna wash that out. I take these out, take all that out and spray it out and everything, so get it all nice and clean. And then I'll be back. Alright. So I got multiple places I can put it. The only spot that I'm gonna see that I can get to, possibly, is over here. Maybe possibly drill a hole here or something. I'll have to figure something out. But that's the only place that I could probably try to put it at. And then my other spot was over here, but I don't think that's gonna fit. Get my phone out of the way. So I got all those plugs in the way, but then I'd have to fight with getting that stuff out of the way, all this, just to figure out to put it back there. I don't really see much of an option anywhere besides over here. And then I thought about possibly bolting it up back to that. But there wouldn't be enough room for that, I don't think. Let's see. Nah, it's hitting up here. So there's not really much room around here. I will be getting a 2-inch body lift too, so that's going to help out somewhat. But the only option I look like I got is over here. Alright, so I found the spot that I'm going to put it. Set this up in. Gotta make sure it all lines up. So that sits there. And right in here, like right in the middle of this hole, I got enough room to drill out a spot. So now, all I need to do is figure out if I want to have it set like this, or if I want to have it set through here, which I may do it this way, which is fine with me. Once I get this together, you know. I got the GoPro Session 4, so it has no screen to tell, so I gotta use that. Or bolt it in like that, which might be better this way. So, which I think I'm going to do it that way. It gives it up more of an air. So I found my location. Okay, so I actually changed some stuff up for the oil catch cam. I actually stuck it right here on the other side of this instead of here, because if I would have kept this piece here, this, oh, what the fuck do they call it? Fitting would be rubbing up against the fluid. So now I plan on lifting this up a bit and then probably pushing this down and running the hoses back. And I'm thinking about having to hook up to right here. Put those under. Oh fuck. But that's pretty much the update of that. When I get the hoses, I'll get the stuff for it and get it all done. I plan on running a new valve over here to where I could just stick a filter on it. I got one that I just set on there, so that would have air filter. And then the one over right there, I'm gonna have it run to the hose and then run up to here. That way there's no oil running through here into the intake. It's actually running through here, because when I took this off, I got oil seeping around the ring of this. So I think it'd be better anyways. But I will be back whenever I get the hoses. I'll post another video of me running those. So that's about it. Peace.